I have now inserted the needle in the tested muscle. We'll ask for a slight contraction, adjusting the needle. We can also adjust the trigger level. And here we have a nice spike. Going to adjust the trigger level. Ideally, I would like to separate the two potentials in the first spike, but for the demonstration, I will accept it. Push the acquire on function key. You can see the trigger traces in the bottom window. Number of sweeps recorded at the top over here. And the green bars indicate the rise time of the potentials, which is only about 200 microseconds or so. So it's a good recording. We have collected 150 sweeps, and the system automatically went into analysis. We can perform the analysis right away, or we can do it in an offline manner. In the interest of time, I'm going to go to the next site. We will analyze the results later. And this is done by pushing the next key on your control panel, or you can also click on the F2 function key. But before we do so, I just want you to have a quick look at the results that have been calculated automatically. Again, we will review this later. The machine has automatically put the windows on the potentials, calculated the interpotential intervals, and given us a jitter value of 11 microseconds, which is quite normal. I'm going to push the next key, and now we are ready to record from the second site, and this is indicated at the top in the toolbar over here. And now I can change the position of the needle and investigate additional sites as necessary to get the desired pairs for analysis.